Hi everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to study about the for loop, and in this video I'm going to discuss all these topics. So watch this video till the end so that you can understand it properly. So let's get started. What is for loop? For loop basically we use for iterating over a sequence, and it could be list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string. It could be any data type on which we use for iteration. So let's understand with the help of example. So here for loop for each item in a list, tuple, and set we can use with any data type for iterating over. So here I will take variable a and I will mention in item a, b, c, d for x in a print x. So in this what for loop is doing, basically it will print all the item from the list. It will going to print all the item from the list. It will print a, b, c, and d. In this way it will iterate over the sequence and it will print, like first it will print a, then b, then c, and d. It will iterate in this way. And we can use this loop through a string as well. So for this I will write for x in, so here I will take a variable a. In this I will take string hello, and I will take a, then print x. So in this what it's doing, it will print all the string. First it will print h, then if, and then in this way it will print all the string. And now comes a break statement. So basically what break statement, basically with the break statement we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. So if we want to stop loop before before completing all before completing it, so in that case we can use break statement. So here I will write a, I will take item a, b, c, d, e for x in a print x if x equals to c. In that case it should be break the loop. So basically in this statement what is doing, I want, like, when x equal to c, in that case the for loop should be stop. So for this we use break statement. So if I execute this query, you will see, like, after c it will stop. One after it will print a, b, and when condition will be met x equals to 3, in that case it will break this statement. So this is the how break statement works in the for loop. And there is continuous statements also there in the for loop. So basically with condition statement we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. So for this what we do, in this case it check the condition. If x equals to c, in that case the loop should be continue, and then it will print x. So in this what is doing, for x in a, if x equals to c, it will check a. First it will check a, it's not equals to c, then again it's going to check b, and when condition is true, x equal to c, only then it's going to continue this loop. continuous statement. So in continuous statement, what it does basically, continuous statement, it stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. For example, here I will take, so sorry for copying this, but I will explain continuous statement in this also. For x in A, if x equals to d, then continue, else it will print x. So in this, what continue will do, when condition will be d, when x equal d equals to d, it will print a, b, c, and when the loop will go with the d, this item, it will stop the loop here and it will continue with the another. So in this, it's going to print a, b, c, and e. So in this, like, it will basically continue statement, it stop the loop, it stop the iteration when condition is met here. So this is about the continuous statement, and now we comes on the range function. So range function basically it return a sequence of number and it start from 0. By default it start from 0 and by default it increments by 1 and at it ends at a specified number. So here I will write for x in range 5, then I will print x. So in this it print 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 elements is printed here. And in range we can use parameter also. So for example, if I take parameter x in range, here I will take 3 and 8, then I will print x. So basically this is for the start and this is for the stop. So in this it will start printing from the 3 and it will end with the 7. It will not include 8. It will include first starting index, but it will not include the last index. So in this function, in this loop, it will print till the 7. So it will print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 because it's not include the last number. So this was with the parameter, and in this we can use start, stop, and increment also. Say here if I will write 2 and here if I will write 20. So this is for start, stop, and it will increment by 2. So if you will execute this code, now it's printed with the gap of 2. So this was all about the for loop, and I hope it's clear to you all. So thank you so much for watching this, and if you have